Welcome back to the Cookbook Club. Today I have my Santa shirt on because we're only a couple days from Christmas,
Yay.
right? So we are back in the Betty Crocker cookie book. This is our Cookbook Club book for this month. We're on our third recipe. And today, since it's almost Christmas, we're making Spritz cookies. So what are Spritz cookies? They're little butter cookies that are made in one of these cookie presses. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, Cook, so we are on page 21 of the cookie book. So, Eric, have you ever seen anybody make cookies with a cookie press?
If I did, it was like maybe as a kid.
Yeah, as a kid, right? I've had one of these for a long time, but I don't know where it is. So shows how much I used it, right? So we're going to be using it today.
Yeah.
And this cookie press, this is an OXO, and it makes all these different shapes of cookies, 20 different shapes. So you can add sprinkles, you can add jimmies, you can have like the sunflower one, you can put jam in the middle of there. So there's snowflakes, hearts, joy, shell, buttercup, wreath, a snow person, tree, daisy, bow, sunflower. This is, I don't know how to say this. This is the symbol for Mardi Gras, right? Star, Santa, butterfly, leaf, and bear.
No cat, no cats and dogs.
There's no cat. There's bear, though. That's close.
Polar bear?
Yeah. No, just a regular grizzly.
Any bear cubs?
You could say it's a baby bear if you want to. Okay, so this is what this looks like. This is our press. Have you guys used one of these before? This is the press. And the end comes off so you to put your little die in there. And this part comes off so you can put your dough in there, obviously. And the dough squeezes down and presses it into the shape. So,
is there anything that measures like how much dough to force so you don't make like a gargantuan?
I don't know. I'm sure I'm going to mess this up. And this one, the OXO, comes with this set of all the dies. So it's sort of like making pasta, but you're going to squeeze your cookie out of there, right? So there is your snowflake. I'm interested in trying out the sunflower so I can put a little jam in there. Where is the sunflower? So we have this, that looks like a turkey or something. It looks like some kind of, these don't look the same as what's on the package. There's the bear, Christmas tree. I don't know what that is. I don't see the sunflower in here.
Well, maybe they gave you 2 snowflakes and they shorted you a sunflower.
I don't know. Maybe this is the sunflower.
I don't know. From here, it looks like the peace symbol.
This could be the sunflower because the center there.
Yeah.
We'll see when we pipe them out. So let me wash these, get my ingredients together. Let's start. Oh, I got to get a mixer too. Let's start making some Spritz cookies.
Yeah.
So let's make our cookie dough. So I have the KitchenAid Mini Stand Mixer because this is a really small batch. So I figured we'll use a really small mixer. I'm going to go ahead and put on the paddle. And we are going to start out putting some butter in here. Quite a bit. These are like butter cookies. If you want this recipe, the full recipe with all the amounts and everything, you'll have to get the book, right? I have it linked down in the description.
Otherwise, you can kind of look at the pictures here and kind of guess.
And we're going to put a little bit of sugar. And we're going to go ahead and cream this. not used to using this little old thing. Kind of weird to go from a big mixer to a small one because I was using a Bosch earlier, so.
You're saying it's like going from like a big old luxury car down to a little commuter car?
Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put an egg in here. I'm also going to put some vanilla. They say use vanilla or almond extract, so I'm using vanilla. And some salt. Let's give it a little scrapey-doo. Scrapey-doodle. I don't know, do they make a scraper paddle for the Mini yet? They may. I'm behind on the times.
I don't know. There's only one person who would know that answer.
KitchenAid?
Yeah.
I'm going to put some flour in here. Oof, I need my beater babes pour and shoot. Yeah, the Mini has like this big hole in the middle of the paddle. They don't have a center post in it, and it can wrap itself up in there. I think it's time to press some cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, our first step is to put the dye on. So we're going to take this. We washed all of this. It was kind of fun to do that. We're going to go ahead and put the Christmas tree on here. And, whoops. We're going to put the Christmas tree on here. And the Christmas tree is on.
Yeah.
So now we're going to fill this baby. So we're going to take this part out. I'm going to take a little spoon here. And I'm going to fill our cookie press with dough. This is really fun. If you want to make these with your kids, they will love it.
The dough's got to be pliable. It can't be too hot, can't be too cold. You might refrigerate it. You might let it warm up to room temperature.
Yeah.
Right? So if you're in Siberia, bring it indoors, right?
And so I'm going to put this back on here. I'm not going to fill it too much. Oops. I need to. You got to push this button here and bring this back.
Mm-hmm.
And now our cookie press is loaded. Okay, so we have our cookie press here, and we're just going to press it down like this. We're going to prime this baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got to prime it so the dough is starting to come out. Prime, prime.
Probably ready.
Yeah. Okay, OXO. Oh,
So that
no
was,
parchment.
they say ungreased. Maybe that's a reason. It sticks to the surface for a reason.
Yeah. Ungreased cookie sheet.
And you repeat it till you're out of dough.
Okay, so those are some Christmas trees. What else do you want to try, Boo?
You have a Santa? Or a snowman or snowflake, something?
I thought I was supposed to have a snowman.
I don't know.
Snowflake.
I'll do a snowflake.
Oh.
Probably need to pump it some more. Might need to keep going. Okay. Hey.
Yay!
All right.
So, these things don't spread, so I can put one here.
Sure.
And one here. Christmas trees, I'm going to give us a little green sprinkle here. I can say in general, these cookie presses are not rated very well.
Some worse than others.
Yeah. And I'm going to put a little bit of this sparkle sugar on the snowflakes, I guess you would call them, these snowflakes. I would say if you have a cookie press from like the 70s that they're metal, they probably work better than the ones today, but this is okay. This is probably the highest rated one out there.
So if you can't make it work with an OXO, then you're just out of luck.
Yeah, you're in trouble. So we're going to take that one off. I want to make this one that's a...
You got a panda bear?
I want to make the ones as a sunflower because they say you can put jam in there. But given how small these are, I don't know.
Oh. Hey.
Oh!
I think once you have it primed, aka compressed all the way down, then it works okay.
Oops, that one's missing a arm there.
Okay.
See what else we have here. There's a lot of shapes. I thought there was a bear.
Who knows?
I don't see a bear.
Maybe they shorted you it.
It says snowman. I didn't get that one.
They probably shorted you.
I didn't get the Santa.
Maybe those are available at extra cost.
I don't know. I don't see. I'm supposed to have gotten 18 of these things.
You probably have to count them.
There's only 12 in here.
There you go.
Nice. I was supposed to have 18 and I only got
Thank you, big box.
This
store.
looks like a bear. I got this one from Costco.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Might get one.
You might want to reload.
Oh, the bear's kind of cute.
So you're out.
Oh,
Ready? Okay, you're probably good.
bear. 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 You want to try, what's this one? This looks like some kind of spiral.
Look a buzzsaw.
Nah. Okay, we're gonna put these in the oven and see how they come out. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, do you have color some of these guys?
Well, these one I'm gonna put jam in, so I'll put pink on these.
Do you want to put any sprinkles?
And these are Jimmy's. Jimmy's aren't gonna stick, they're too small.
All right.
So we'll have a green bear.
Sure.
These one we're going to put jam in the middle. So let me bake these off and we'll see how they taste.
Back.
Okay, so here's our little Spritz cookies. Aren't they so cute? I didn't have a lot of confidence at the beginning because it was a little struggle getting that thing to work, but
These guys are little.
yeah, I got a little bit of raspberry jam.
The recipe suggested that we would have fewer.
That's a lot of raspberry jam in there.
We would have fewer than what we produced, which tells me these are smaller than average.
Yeah, I think this jam, I may have to melt it a little or something. I don't know.
What's the matter?
It's a little bigger than the center of my flour here.
I wouldn't worry about that, boo-boo. I mean, these things are so small, you can put like 2 in your mouth. And
Yeah, this is a pretty small
yeah.
press.
Well, for kids, it's probably good. But for adults, I mean, I don't know.
Well, you're not making a cookie, that's a meal.
You're not?
Go on there too well. Oh, well. So these are fun. It would be great for kids. If you're making a big cookie platter with a lot of different kinds of cookies, these would be fun as well. You want one of these, Boo?
Sure.
It made quite a few, 40 something.
Yeah.
So you want to try one of these? You want a bear?
Yeah.
Whoop. Here's a little bear.
Thank you, boo-boo.
You're welcome. I'm going to try it with a little bit of the jam. They're tasty, little fun things.
I like things sweet. I'd probably put a little more sugar in this.
It's good with the jam. Try one of these with the jam. The jam brings more sweetness to it.
Thank you.
It's good with the jam.
That's kind of tasty.
Yeah. So this is recipe number 3 in Betty's cookie book. Thank you, Betty. These were a lot of fun. If you make these, let me know how you like them. Christmas is coming. Merry Christmas, everyone.